What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Gladys.
What's your name?
My name is Angelo.
What's your name?
My name is Laura Frigotto.
What's your name?
I'm Tim.
What's your name?
My name is Shri.
What's your name?
My name is Michael, and this is Kate.
What's your name?
My name is Agnes.
What's your name?
My name's Alf, and this is Sylvia.
What's your name?
I'm Eduardo.
What's your name?
My name is Jennifer, and this is Susan.
What's your name? How are you?
What's your name?
My name is Malika.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Morven.
How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ben.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ewan.
How are you today?
I'm really good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Connell, and this is Aving.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is James.
How are you?
I'm very well today, thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Kelly.
How are you today, Kelly?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Furkan.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Renee.
How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
What's your name?
My name's Patrick.
How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.